Hello, good afternoon, sir. I am Nitin Kumar of batch 2022 in branch CSE, and now I would like to present on the topic the potential of hydroelectric power plants. So, in this presentation, we will delve into the world of hydroelectric power and its immense possibilities. We will discover the renewable energy source that can revolutionize the future of power generation. So the very first question that comes in our mind is, what is hydroelectric power? So hydroelectric power is the generation of electricity from flowing or falling water. It harnesses the power of water to rotate turbines, which then spin generators to produce electricity. This is a clean and renewable energy source which is widely adopted worldwide due to its environmental benefits and reliability. So now coming to the types of hydroelectric power plants. Basically, there are two main types of hydroelectric power plants, which include dam-based hydroelectric power plants and run-of-river hydroelectric power plants. So talking about the dam-based hydroelectric power plants, they store water in reservoirs created by dams, releasing it in controlled quantities to generate electricity. Whereas the run-of-river plants, they utilize the natural flow of rivers without significant water storage. Both of these types have their own advantages, and both of them are crucial for sustainable energy production. Now coming to the mechanism of hydroelectric power plants. As you can see, this diagram shows us the complete flow of the hydroelectric power generation. As we can see in this diagram, that water is held behind a dam or a reservoir known as storage reservoir. In the storage reservoir, the bigger the height difference between the upstream and downstream water level, the greater the amount of electricity generated. So when electricity is needed, some of the water is released. The gravitational force causes the water to fall through a pipe called penstock. This is a sort of pipe which is known as penstock, and the water falls through this pipe. This falling water spins the turbine, converting the hydro energy into mechanical energy. When the turbine spins, it turns the metal shaft which goes up to an electric generator, thus producing electricity. So now we will be discussing some of the benefits of hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power, it offers numerous benefits. The very first, it is a renewable energy source, emitting no greenhouse gases and having a minimal environmental impact. It also provides consistent and reliable power supply, contributing to grid stability. Additionally, hydroelectric power plants offer opportunities for flood controls, irrigation, and recreation activities, making them a multifunctional structure. While hydroelectric power has many advantages, there are also challenges and limitations to consider. The very first may include the environmental impacts on aquatic ecosystems, the displacement of communities due to dam construction. As we know, dam construction requires a very large area, so there is a sort of displacement of communities to build the dams. And also we don't have suitable locations, so there are limited suitable locations. So it is essential to carefully evaluate and mitigate these concerns in order to ensure sustainable and responsible hydroelectric development. By this, I would like to officially conclude my presentation by keeping in mind that hydroelectric power plants are a remarkable example of harnessing the power of nature to generate clean and reliable electricity. Also, as we continue to explore and invest in this renewable energy source, we can unlock its immense potential for a sustainable future. So let us embrace hydroelectric power as a key player in the transition towards a greener and more resilient energy system. Thank you.